Today I'm going to show you how to take off your aerator off of your faucet. The reason you would take this off is to replace it or to clean it. And the reason you clean it or replace it is because calcium deposits build up on it and the flow gets restricted and the pattern goes funny. It might spray off to the side at you. Anyways, so I'm going to take some adjustable pliers and I'm going to wrap them with electrical tape so that I don't hurt the finish on the aerator itself. So I'm just going to hurry up and wrap the jaws so that I won't mar up the finish on it. And got that done. So then you need to adjust it to make sure that you can get it on there and make sure you get good enough leverage on it. Okay, so you're gonna wanna turn it to the left. I know you're gonna wanna go right, but you have to go to the left because it's upside down. So instead of going to the left or the right like you'd like to turn it, you need to go to the left. So yeah, I've got a piece of rust in there that is probably helping to restrict my flow, but anyways, that's what it's like. So it's got a washer that you can push out, and then I can push all this stuff out and you can clean it. You know, here's some calcium deposits on the inside of it. And just to show you, this also changes the flow rate too of the water. So that's how the water comes out without one on there, and that's why you need one. So anyways, that is how. So I would get some lime away or something to clean this off with, but mine actually didn't have too bad of a flow restriction. So now I'm gonna put it back on and I'm gonna turn it to, it's not working the way I wanted it to, a little embarrassing. Anyways, I'm going to turn it I've got that on now. And so now I'll just use my wrench to tighten it down. So and voila, there we have it. Thanks for watching.